Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Milady Memecoin. Going to be analyzing the charts to see what is happening with the price and when are we going to see some sort of breakout happening within the price. I know a lot of people want to hear that, a lot of people want to know when, so we will get into that. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking at the price, guys, once again, you can see the price. There's still about 7 zeros in front of the price currently, and we're currently sitting at 40817. You're up about 0.6% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up about 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $36.1 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 6.6 million. But of course, now we're going to get more into depth on the analysis, see what is happening. So you guys can see, the follower count is currently sitting at 64,000, so we have seen Twitter come out and filter all of the fake and the spam accounts. So of course, that's something we do need to look at. But as far as announcement goes, we still haven't heard any sort of big announcement come out for ladies as of now. And Elon Musk is still yet, I know that's just it's not necessarily that he has to ever tweet about this again, but of course, the reason as to why Milady even popped off in the beginning out of all the meme coins, because guys, the competition is next level, and that's what we need to keep in mind. There's meme coins launching on a day-to-day basis, so the competition is insanely high. But the reason as to Milady even got the traction that it got was because of Elon Musk's tweet. He tweeted about this, and that really took things to the next level. So now we're going to discuss what is happening. Are we about to see a breakout happen? I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys. If we're looking at the overall holder count, despite the fact there's a lot of uncertainty, and there's no secret at this point, there's a lot of uncertainty in the price of Milady's right now. I've seen a lot of people that were really bullish just a week and a half ago are now just saying, this is not the coin for us, we're looking elsewhere. And to be honest, I'm not mad at anyone, because everyone has their own way of thinking. You do what you think is better. But one thing I can say is that this should be a learning lesson for everyone to see how our human brain works. We tend to want gains right off the bat, and when we do see the gains, we just get greedy and we want the prices to continue going up. You can't have both. You have to have the middle, and the middle is when you see the profits, just get rid of your greediness. Of course, we all think, okay, what, if we're literally sitting at $30,000 profit right now, come on, it's going to pump up and we're going to see 60,000 profit. If we're going to think like that, we're going to get wrecked. We will get wrecked. And there's a lot of people I did see in the comment section that were sitting at some massive profits that just didn't end up locking those profits in, and now they're regretting it. And this should be a learning lesson for everyone. So you don't want to be pointing fingers at anyone. It all comes down to you. We need to learn how to get rid of our greediness when we are seeing profits and actually lock in profits, then actually lose them. So if we're looking at the holder count, like I said, I went on my little rant. You can see that the holder count is still holding above 15,500. Now you may be saying, oh yeah, people are still holding because they don't want to sell at a loss. Sure, that's a valid point to make, but that's also something you need to realize, that a lot of people fade a lot of different projects. We see this on a continuous basis, especially if you're in the meme coin market. You see a lot of projects being faded, like the holders are just fading, going elsewhere. So why aren't they not doing that with this? Would that not be a fair statement to make? Because I think people personally think, just because of the Elon Musk tweet itself really has a lot of, hype factor involved in ladies. And that is why all these exchanges listed ladies on their platform. And remember, all these exchanges now have ladies listed on their platform. So who knows if they can do some massive buybacks as well. So that's something we do need to keep in mind. But now, of course, let's get into the price, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So before we get into that, guys, you guys know the good old disclaimer, that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies, and you can see this for yourself. We're currently sitting at $36.1 million, and now over the past few days it seems like that that number is quite repetitive. We're sitting very strong around around these levels, and we're finding ourselves literally at the exact same spot, that same level of resistance. And we have seen, it's not that ladies is not trying to break out, even though there's a lack of buying pressure. We have seen ladies try to break towards the upside, try to retest the $40 million market cap, but every single time it tries to do that, we are getting massive rejection. So that signals that we do need more buying pressure right now. And not only that, that shows the significance of this level of resistance that we're really facing. We do want to be seeing it trying retesting these resistance levels. If it was not doing that, then sure, that is a weaker sign, but we're starting to see it retest this over and over again. But of course, we would need a little bit more volume, I think, in order for us to kick out of that. But now one benefit that I think could impact altcoins and meme coins, specifically the ones that are already listed on centralized exchanges, is that Bitcoin is in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level once again, and there's a potential that we could reclaim this level of resistance, which is at that $28,700 mark. So the importance of this level of resistance and us reclaiming is that there's a potential that altcoins can start exploding, and that is going to impact meme coins as well, the ones that are listed on centralized exchange. And we saw that happen yesterday when we were seeing the spike happen in the BTC's price. We did see ladies also make a move towards the upside. You guys can see this for yourself, and we saw an increase just yesterday, guys. So so if you bought back on the 28th, you saw ladies go up 15%, and that was quite impressive. So it is following the BTC pattern. That's what I'm trying to say. And so did Pepe. But we have seen a retracement happen within the price. But of course, now you guys can see something similar happening. Oh, that's a project. My bad. There's a project someone shared with me. So I was just taking a quick look at that. Anyways, the retracement that we're seeing happen here for ladies right now, you guys can see it's correlating with BTC. If you can see BTC correlation happening, ladies correlation happening to BTC, and also with Pepe. And we're starting to see a similar pattern play out. So that is what's happening in the markets right now, as of now. But I think if we do get a little bit more buying pressure coming in, we could potentially see an upside happen for ladies sooner than a lot of people think. I still believe in this project. I believe the early comers that came into this meme coin mania are going to be here to stay. Milady, there's Mong, there is Bob, and there is of course Pepe. The list goes on. And the reason as to why I think this is because of exchanges listing them. And it's not just one or two exchanges listing. There's a lot of other exchanges that have listed these, and we could potentially see maybe a bigger exchange come and list one of these projects. So there's going to be competitions between one of them. So it's going to be really interesting as to see what really does happen as we do approach further into this market. So that is my current analysis on ladies. Remember guys, it's only been in the market for a month, and people tend to think prices just go up straight forever in one line. That's just not the case. Let me know down below which meme coin you guys want me to look at, or which other project you guys want me to look at. I'm getting tons, literally tons and tons of requests to cover meme coins. I had someone reach out to me about this meme coin as well, which is called Rice Coin. I was just taking a look at it, so that's what it is. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the prices going for ladies, and what is your current strategy right now that you're seeing happen. So that is it for today's update. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.